Pinpoint Weather Super 7-Day Forecast.
All right, another storm is on our doorstep, and parts of the county are already feeling raindrops. Joining me now, ABC 10 News Pinpoint Weather anchor Moses Small.
And yeah, the tricky thing about this storm is that it's big, it's slow moving, and according to the National Weather Service, it could be the biggest storm that we've seen so far this season. If you take a peek at the satellite radar on a big scale, we can see it's already slamming most of the state. And in terms of California, it feels like it's hitting everybody except us, and that is starting to change. If we take a peek at the Pinpoint Doppler live, some parts of the North County, like Camp Pendleton all the way down to Oceanside, they're starting to see their first raindrops, but it's going to take a little while longer for those storms to get more widespread here at home. That is exactly why we have a flood watch that kicks off tomorrow afternoon at 4, and then it's going to stick around all the way until Wednesday morning at 10. So we're looking at a period of heavy showers that could last for a couple days. Looking at the rain and cloud futurecast, though, it looks like the North County is going to get those showers first, and that is already happening. And then we're going to notice a little bit of separation overnight. If we fast forward till around 2:30 a.m., then in the North County, we could see Oceanside picking up about a half an inch of rain at that point, but a bit of a slower start for the South Bay. San Diego barely getting anything by that point. Then at 6 a.m., we see all this big orange that represents those bigger showers getting much more widespread. That's going to last through the afternoon. So this is the point where those rain totals, they're going to be stacking up. Anybody could see a pocket of heavy showers, pockets of flooding, but most forecast models agree that the heaviest rain and the most widespread rain is going to be tomorrow night. So with these things, it is better to think a bit more big picture rather than specific, but most of us can expect rain over the next few hours if you're not going to see it already. And then clearly it's not going anywhere as San Diego stays in those mid to upper 50s. And for our inland neighborhoods are going to notice the same trend. That rain is going to stick around not just for tomorrow, but for days and days after that. If we take a peek at that 7-day chance of rainfall, not only tomorrow or the next day, but we have a chance of showers that's going to stretch really all the way until this coming Saturday. So that storm is just going to park on top of us as San Diego hits a high of 63 tomorrow. Inland neighborhoods reaching 65, mountains high of 53, and the deserts reaching up to 66 degrees. Now, of course, we're going to see those periods of heavier showers all the way until Wednesday. It's good visual to see how it just kind of crawls towards us. It takes a long time to start breaking apart, and that's the reason why our rain totals could be quite so big. And the forecast models are pretty consistent with what we saw yesterday. In between now and Tuesday night, coastal and inland neighborhoods could be looking at anywhere from 2 all the way up to 4 inches of rainfall. San Diego can easily get 2.5 inches of rain over that time, and virtually the entire county has about a 40% chance of seeing some areas of flooding. That's going to be very tricky for some inland neighborhoods that have seen flooding over the last couple storms. Looking at a high of 61 tomorrow, highs of 50s for a few days after that. But the most important thing is, especially if you've been hit hard by recent floods, is to be careful and plan ahead as best you can. Nia?